We're Chorus Mobility, a research and development startup working on blockchain solutions for transportation. We were one of the first companies to design and publish an open software hardware architecture for the blockchain-based vehicular ad hoc networks. Our goal is to create a feasible system that allows for autonomous vehicles to become independent economic actors, drastically improving traffic safety and lowering the cost of mobility. To participate in the Mobi Grand Challenge, we've partnered with our friends at Decentralized Tech, the San Francisco startup behind the Decentralized platform that helps companies to monetize robots as a service. For our demo project, we've utilized advanced developments in the robot operating system as well as EVM-based infrastructure for cyber-physical systems. Nevertheless, our blockchain-agnostic architecture allows to quickly switch the blockchain type, depending on the current needs. In 2008, Seattle-based engineer William Beebe, in a series of experiments, established a so-called traffic waves theory. The thesis of that theory was that by knowing how traffic waves are formed, drivers could sometimes reduce their effect by increasing the distance to the car immediately ahead of them. This would lead to braking less often and ultimately decrease the accumulation of vehicles and traffic around them. Later on, it was also proved in a series of experiments that even intelligent cruise control systems could be used to clear up congestion. But to motivate drivers for the described behavior, we as humans need to unlearn everything we were taught about standing in lines. The system we introduce will allow to financially incentivize both human and autonomous driving vehicles to maintain such behavior by getting paid for the road space and yielding to the other cars. We hope that this system will evolve to become a part of our daily traffic infrastructure. In the following video presentation, we demonstrate a system that allows modern self-driving vehicles to purchase routes, negotiate the road space, and pay for the rights of way. For proof of concept, we utilized MIT's Duckytown. Duckytown is an open-source miniature city where autonomous taxis, called Duckybots, provide transportation to Ducky citizens. Equipped with a camera and a tiny onboard computer, Duckybots can do most of what full-size autonomous cars can do. In the following simulation, we have 3 vehicles: Alice, Bob, and Charlie. The cars send requests to the traffic management system to form the route from point A to point B and receive the links to the approved route via a liability smart contract. Bob and Charlie ask Alice to give them the right-of-way in the left lane by sending demand requests to the nodes of a decentralized market. Alice responds with a supply request. In this scenario, Charlie wins the auction for the road space. Charlie and Alice create a smart contract for the right-of-way, and we can see the address of this contract in the logs here. The following scenario is demonstrated. The first vehicle, Alice, reserves the route. In the process of driving, the traffic situation changes due to pedestrians and other cars. Alice notices the obstacle and performs a virtual handshake with the second car, or Bob, in the near field. After that, the auction for the road space begins. When the agreement is reached, Bob yields to Alice, and Alice continues to move. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thanks for watching.